Dear all, dear jury, wow, it's great to stand here and thanks for joining today. We as Eternal Power, maybe someone of you expected Moritz to be here. Our CEO, he's in Stockholm for the Green Business Building Summit. So I am here from the machine room of Eternal Power and Hendrik as well on our booth. We are pushing forward our projects day by day, reaching FID and finally building an integrated mass producer for green hydrogen and derivatives. Now, first of all, why? I think everyone in this room is aware that climate change is maybe the biggest single health threat facing humanity. And facing that, we need energy transition to proceed. And if you have seen it in the Handelsblatt yesterday, many Germans are a bit scared about or skeptical because they think of the pockets, think of negative impact on the economy. Finally, the market is huge. So we are facing 2 points. On the one hand, decarbonization. On the other hand, we'll look on returns. Returns that can be reinvested in the projects, so keep the wheel running. And finally, we see that the cost curve will come down as we've seen it for PV and wind in the past. So how we do it? We want to build a one-stop shop, an integrated value chain, an integrated business model that helps taking out mitigating risks over the whole value chain and brings additional possibilities for add-on services like asset management, like optimization of the power purchase, of the hydrogen output, and so on. Finally, making the whole project bankable. Then we have a very, very highly experienced team, a team that finds the right places to build the projects, but as well find the off-takers that fit to this project. And finally, that are able to realize the projects as well. We are pure play green hydrogen pioneer, just focus taking out a bit of complexity. We see global production as the key, really looking on keeping down the costs, because that will make our projects, that will make hydrogen finally, acceptable for our neighbors. So we start from two sides. On the one hand, land securing, on the other hand, from offtake. Offtake is mainly driven from our network, it is quite strong, and land securing, on the one hand, data-driven, for examples with partners like Othersphere, but as well with the experience we have in the team, and again, from our network. And so we bring it together and then we build the projects. So these are the recent milestones we have achieved. We have now 500 megawatts, or more than that, in pre-FEED. We work very close together and have a partnership with an industry leader for our major project. We have land secured, for sure. And then we have term sheets in place with, on the one hand, for green hydrogen for the one project, long-term, so over more than 2 billion, and we have more than 3 billion term sheets signed now for the offtake of green methanol. So you can see it works. Finally, this is a landscape, the whole world. So what we are doing is really focusing on 2 projects in Europe at the moment. With partners, we have a wider project pipeline, and here are some figures for those projects. We expect until end of summer there will be for more land or for more projects, land to be secured, and reaching the first projects FID next year. We could go faster, we could do more with more financial strength, so you are invited to join us at our booth. Thank you very much.